So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna use the new Adobe Photoshop AI version, and which is really great. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you're gonna use the new Adobe Photoshop AI version to generate your images to something else. So guys, at first I'm gonna open a file. So just go to my home and suppose like this image. So I want this image to be white. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, so just see, I'm gonna click the crop tool and make it large in the white side. So guys, this, so what I'm gonna do now, just select the rectangle and not like that. So guys, you will get 2 to 3 wrong answer, but ultimately you will get the best answer with this Adobe Photoshop new AI generated version, and this is really great. So all we have to do, just go to this section and just I'm gonna use the hue like little bit to, and I'm gonna cover it. So guys, as you can see, I have just resized this image with Adobe Photoshop new AI version. You can do whatever you can now. So guys, as suppose I'm gonna need a sheep in here. So what I'm gonna do is just go to the rectangle option and I'm gonna hit a prompt like add a shape. Let's see guys what happened. So I'm gonna hit. So guys, as you can see, you will get 3 options every time, like here in the properties panel, like this one or like this one. This one is quite good, but so guys, we are not gonna need this, and I'm gonna delete it. So guys, with this new AI version you can do whatever you can. So guys, I'm gonna save this now. You can change your any images with that, so something like this one. So I'm gonna, so just go to the crop tool and just I'm gonna drag it in the wide screen, so like that. Okay, now just go to the rectangle option and just select and little bit of from the image. Okay, so now just go to the generative field and like type like adjust with background. Use simple words for Adobe Photoshop, I always say. So just hit generate and let's see how this will work. So we will get all our option to here. So guys, just look at the image. I just used the new Adobe Photoshop AI generated version, and this is the result, and you will get 3 options. So it's showing now this option, so I'm gonna hit this one. Oh my goodness, this is really great. So guys, it just adjusts with the whole image, like this is really awesome. And I'm gonna need this image, so I'm gonna go and make some colors. I'm gonna go to hue, saturation, yes. So guys, and also I'm gonna need some brightness and contrast. the contrast to be 3. Okay. This image is really awesome, so I'm gonna save this image. Guys, this is really game changer. Now you can use the Adobe Photoshop AI and you don't do too much things, but you will get your like, I'm gonna need some musical instrument here, so let's see how this will happen. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna select this portion, I'm gonna add like DJ, music and instrument. So guys, I have selected portion and I have just write DJ music, like add DJ music instrument. So I'm gonna hit generate. So guys, just look at the answer. So this is this one actually going to the left side, but this is too much and the music box is too much contrast. So this is quite good, but I don't need it. So if you can add some lights here, like add dim light. Okay, so add dim light. So I'm gonna hit generate. So let's see how this will work. So always remember, try to give a simple prompt to do, so it will understand your well, this is something too much. Oh my goodness. And so guys, sometimes it will work very good and sometimes you have to prompt again and again. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video.